Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Exodus wallet. It's crucial to ensure the authenticity of your wallet software to protect your digital assets. First, always download Exodus directly from their official website. Double-check the URL for any discrepancies, as fake sites often use similar-looking addresses. A secure internet connection is also vital to prevent interception during the download process. Taking these initial steps provides a strong foundation for security. Once downloaded, the next critical step is to confirm the file's integrity. Exodus provides official hash values, like SHA-256, for their software on their website. You'll need to use a checksum utility on your computer to generate a hash for the file you just downloaded. Then, carefully compare your generated hash with the official one. If they match exactly, you can be confident the file hasn't been tampered with. Beyond hash checks, Exodus also employs digital signatures to further authenticate their software. A digital signature acts like a tamper-proof seal, confirming the software's origin and ensuring it hasn't been modified since it was signed. You can use specific operating system tools to verify this signature. A successful verification means the software is genuinely from Exodus and is safe to install, adding another layer of security. Maintaining your wallet's security is an ongoing process. Always update your Exodus wallet to the latest official version as soon as it's released, as updates often include critical security enhancements. Remember, your 12-word secret recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it. Finally, enable any available two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection on your accounts. Stay vigilant to keep your assets safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.